Today I'm going to be showing you how to save your Instagram live videos. Let's jump in. So I'm on my iPhone, but this works no matter which device that you're using. You want to open up your home page of your Instagram account, and up in the top right-hand corner, you just want to go to the three lines to access your account center. And then from here, we just want to scroll down until we see archiving and downloading. Click on that. And here's your option. So you could save your story, you could save live archive, save to camera roll, whatever you want in there. So what we want is save live to archive. So you want to toggle that on, and then you can back out of that. And now every time that you go live on Instagram, it will automatically save that video to your archive. Now keep in mind, in your archive, it'll only be saved for 30 days. So if you want it longer than that, you'll have to download it. So in order to do that, you just go up to those three lines again in your settings and activity. And then you want to go to your archive. And then in here, you'll have the videos that you have archived, your lives included. And then you'll just tap on that to download that to your phone. And it's that easy to save your live videos from Instagram. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.